The assumption is something like this: the Earth is so big, we can't possibly have any lasting harmful impact on the Earth's environment. And maybe that was true at one time, but it's not anymore.
Saturday morning as hundreds of thousands wake up to sheer devastation. Just take a look at this unbelievable destruction from the ferocious weather that raked through the heart of the country. Homes, schools, and businesses, entire towns all gone, flattened in a flash. This massive storm spawned more tornadoes in one day than we usually see in an entire month, all the way from the Gulf Coast to the Great Lakes.
Huge storm. You can see it right there on the map. Here's what we know right now. At least 29 people dead. 13 in Indiana, 14 in Kentucky, and 2 in Ohio. This is the second round of killer tornadoes just this week.
95 tornadoes ripped through yesterday. If those are all confirmed reports, this would be the greatest tornado day, one-day event in March for all history.
As official, 2012 was the hottest year in the United States since weather scientists started keeping records, and hotter not by a little but by a landslide.
The extraordinary heat. Let's take you straight to the map this evening. Look at the deepest reds on the map. 45 states with temperatures 90 and above, and as you can see, so many in triple digits tonight. And look at this, even more telling, more than 3,100 heat records broken in the last month alone.
The worst Arctic storm systems to hit a wide section of the country in years. It has gone from dangerous now to deadly.
Minnesota's wind chills could be as low as 50. That's 50 below with a...
This is scale. This winter it has received more than 5.5 meters of snow, the most ever recorded anywhere in Japan.
In this small, remote place with very few people, tens of thousands of pounds of garbage wash up on our beaches every year.
Clean it up, so this will be just the accumulation in 4 months' time.
What is this? It's like a melted piece of plastic. It looks like plastic spaghetti. What the heck is a computer monitor doing floating in the ocean in the middle of the Pacific?
Genetically engineered crops in agriculture, a worldwide experiment on people, animals, and nature. Cultivation of genetically engineered crops like soy, maize, cotton, or canola have far-reaching consequences. 90% of genetically engineered crops belong to the corporate agricultural group Monsanto. The rest are owned by Syngenta, DuPont, Bayer, and others. Genetic manipulation of crops can have uncontrollable consequences. The function of genomes is only partially understood, but foreign genes are still introduced into crops. These genetically engineered crops are widely cultivated outdoors, where they cannot be controlled. Currently, 90% of GE cultivation occurs in the Americas, particularly in the USA, Argentina, Brazil, and Canada.